like. So this is what it looks like near Treasure Island after the high tide and flooding. People have put piles and piles of their own stuff out at the curb to wash everything down and prevent mold. Piles and piles of all the interior stuff of the homes. Piles and piles and piles of stuff. It is a peculiar disaster area. All these houses were completely flooded. Totally flooded. Piles and piles and piles of carpets and mattresses and dressers and everything you can imagine piled out on the lawn. Very strange, very peculiar to see these homes with all this stuff piled up outside. Piles and piles of stuff. Stuff, stuff, stuff. Piled out in front of every house. Very peculiar, very strange. Very peculiar, very, very strange. They've even got the doors piled up. They've got every sofa and every couch piled up. Pretty yellow, butter-colored leather couches out on the curb. Piles and piles and piles of stuff. Stuff, stuff, stuff. Piles and piles of stuff all piled up out at the curb. My goodness.